While learning is important, unlearning is essential. We have to unlearn a lot of things. Say for instance, yung mga toxic behaviors and habits na natutunan mo sa mga magulang, or yung toxic culture that we have as Filipinos, utang na loob, panunumbat, yung culture na dapat tayo ang retirement ng mga magulang natin, or we should be setting boundaries kasi pamilya mo yan, blood is thicker than water. Marami sa atin ang na-raise to not question things and just say yes and agree. Kaya we are people pleasing. Nakita ko din na part ng culture natin as Filipino, we are becoming guilty of resting. Nasanay tayo na kapag free time, dapat may gagawin ka pa ring productive. Hindi ganun. Dapat existing is already enough to validate your worth. When you unlearn, ma-differentiate mo alin dito yung paniniwalaan ko as an adult person ngayon at alin dito yung mga paniniwalang natutunan ko lang sa eskwelahan, sa mga taong sinamahan ko over the last couple of years, and magagawa mo lang yun if you balance the learning with the unlearning.